You know my name is Dr. Egg. You do on purpose.
Do what, Egghead?
Whoa. It all ends here, old friend. Prepare to be burned.
So what, he's gonna burn me with flamethrowers or something?
No!
What, he's gonna burn me with his acid?
No. The claws. Yes, claws. Very painful claws.
Well, then you should have called him Clawbot, or Clawbot, or Clawbot. I mean, that's just false advertising.
My name's Sauce.